Hi, this is Dhanashri. I heard some good reviews about the H2kinfosys, therefore joined the same for the QA course. Priya, the instructor there, has a good command over the course, and I have now happily placed in an IT firm as a QA engineer. Kudos to H2kinfosys.
Hi, my name is Devduti Sur and I have been associated with H2kinfosys since 2010. I have taken several courses from them and been successful in my IT career. If I can, you all can. Thank you.
Hi. Hi everyone. This is Pam. That I love H2K. When I say that, because H2K made my life so much easier. I started the QA tester, and that's something that I got interested in. And later on, I decided like, okay, I'm gonna go into go into automation. Guess what? H2K has that too. So I learned, and it made and I pursued my career like what I wanted to. H2K just was my kind of like my fundamental, like they helped me to be something that I am today. So today that I want to I'm working as a QA manager, and then thanks to H2K for helping me so much and making my life easier, and my career and everything. Thank you. And it's amazing, and I think I wanted to come back like for something that I want to learn more, because guess what, H2K has free course, like once you join it, like they have free access to everything, so you can actually access everything later. So thank you again for helping me, like anyway.